Title: The Journey of the Planet, a mythic tale across space and time. Long before the galaxies were born, in the dark stillness of the cosmic womb, there drifted a single, luminous orb. It had no name, no orbit, and no sun. It was Planetus, the first wanderer. Planetus was no ordinary world. It was alive. It pulsed with the heartbeat of molten fire and dreamed in tectonic rhythms. It was born not from dust and gas, but from the convergence of cosmic memory, the fragments of dying stars, and whispered thoughts of collapsing dimensions. It knew neither day nor night, only the cold silence of the void. But it longed for more. One cycle, as it drifted near a forming galaxy, it heard music radiation waves and electromagnetic pulses humming like a lullaby of stars being born. Drawn by the sound, Planetus turned its crust toward the galaxy's core, and it began its journey. The Age of Fire. First, Planetus approached a red giant. The star bathed it in warmth, and from its surface, volcanoes roared. Magma rivers formed glowing patterns across its crustets, first emotions expressed in eruptions and thunder. Planetus danced close to the sun, not knowing the danger. The heat nearly cracked it apart. But just as it started to fall inward, a passing neutron star's gravity tugged it away. It spun violently for 1,000 years before stabilizing. The Age of Ice. Flung to the galaxy's edge, Planetus froze. Its magma ocean solidified. Glaciers coated its peaks. In silence once again, it began to dream this time of life. Of green. Of rain. It gathered stardust and comet ice. It let moons collide with it, letting them bring amino acids and water. Slowly, over a billion-year blink of the cosmos, it seeded itself with the potential for life. The Age of Life. When a yellow star finally accepted Planetus into orbit, things began to change. Clouds formed, rains fell, oceans churned. From those oceans, life crawled tiny, then many, then strange, then intelligent. Planetus watched the myth's children build, love, destroy, and rebuild. They gave it names: Gaia, Terra, Earth. They built cities that lit up the night. They looked into the sky and dreamed of visiting the stars, never knowing that their planet had already been there. But the journey wasn't over. The Age of Return. One day, the skies filled again with fire. The children of Planetus launched great ships into the void. Some escaped, some perished. But a few found the truth that Planetus had not always been bound to this sun. They unlocked the memory buried deep in its core. Coordinates, whispers, star maps.